Welcome to the Value Stock Screener by Stock Investor IQ. In this video, we'll guide you through using this powerful tool to identify stocks that meet key value investing criteria inspired by legendary investors Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch. With coverage of over 25,000 global stocks, you can discover value opportunities from markets worldwide. The Value Stock Screener evaluates stocks using metrics like revenue growth, earnings per share growth stability, return on invested capital, return on equity, interest coverage ratio, price earnings to growth ratio, and discount to fair value. These metrics focus on aspects like financial health, business model strength, and fair valuation. To start, you can customize the screener settings to match your investment preferences. Use the drop-down menus to select the exchange region, sector, industry, and market capitalization range you're interested in. Let's select United States as the exchange region. The screener also covers various other regions across the world. You can also choose to screen stocks based on 5-year or 10-year growth rates. For the purposes of this demo, we'll use 10-year growth rates. Next, adjust the sliders to set your desired criteria for each metric. The default settings are revenue growth, 5% per annum. Earnings per share growth, 10% per annum. Earnings per share growth stability, a very high, or medium. Return on invested capital, 15% per annum. Return on equity, 15% per annum. Interest coverage ratio, 10. Price earnings to growth ratio, 1. Discount to fair value using both historical free cash flow and net profit growth, 30%. These settings are broadly based on the investment philosophies of Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch, but feel free to adjust them according to your own investment strategy. For example, let's change the price earnings to growth ratio to 1.5 to make it less restrictive. You can either use the slider or type the number in directly. For a refresher on these financial metrics, refer to our comprehensive stock investing glossary available on the website. The website also provides a detailed explanation of the discount to fair value calculation. After setting your criteria, the screener will display a list of stocks that meet your requirements. The number of stocks found is displayed in the top right corner, along with a pie chart showing the sector composition of the results. Let's further refine our search by selecting information technology from the sector drop-down list. This will narrow down the results to only include stocks from the information technology sector. By default, the results are sorted by market capitalization in US dollars, but you can easily sort by any other metric. For example, let's click on the Return on Invested Capital column header to sort the stocks based on their return on invested capital over the past 10 years. Remember, the screener is just the first step in the value investing process. Once you've identified potential stocks, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence. Use our stock metrics page to access in-depth financial data, our intrinsic value calculator to estimate the stock's intrinsic value based on your own assumptions, and our reverse DCF calculator to uncover the growth expectations embedded in the stock's current price. So there you go, the Value Stock Screener is a powerful tool for uncovering stocks that align with the principles of value investing. By focusing on key metrics and allowing you to customize your search criteria, the screener helps you identify companies with strong financials, sustainable growth, and attractive valuations. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct your own research before making any decisions. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out using the contact form on our website. Start your value investing journey today at stockinvestoriq.com.